If you have ever been in a courtroom or watched a legal TV show or movie, you've probably heard the word subpoena. Well, today we're going to be discussing what a subpoena is, why it's used and when it's used.
Subpoena came for you.
Subpoenas.
I'm having you subpoenaed.
A subpoena in movies and TV shows seem like these mysterious documents that hold immense power. But what exactly is a subpoena and why is it used? Well, a subpoena is essentially a formal court order. It's a way for the court to compel someone to do two things: testify in court or produce evidence. Subpoenas are used in both civil and criminal cases. In a civil case, like a contract dispute, a subpoena might be used to call upon a witness who has first-hand knowledge of the situation. In criminal cases, subpoenas can be used to compel testimony from an eyewitness, expert, or even the person who might have some incriminating evidence, like a security guard who witnessed a crime. There are two main types of subpoenas: subpoena ad testificandum and subpoena ducis tecum. Subpoena ad testificandum is the one you see in movies. It orders someone to appear in court and give oral testimony about what they know. Subpoena ducis tecum, on the other hand, is a little different. It compels someone to produce physical evidence related to the case. This could be documents, recordings, or even physical objects. Now, you may be asking, when is a subpoena issued? Lawyers typically request subpoenas, and a judge will issue them if they believe the witness or evidence is relevant to the case. It's important to note that receiving a subpoena does not necessarily mean you're in trouble. You could be a vital witness with key information, or you might just have some relevant documents in your possession. What happens when you get a subpoena? If you're served with a subpoena, it's important to take it seriously. It's a legal order, and failing to comply can result in fines or even jail time. The subpoena will detail what you're supposed to do, whether it's appearing in court or producing documents. If you have any questions or concern, it's always best to consult with a lawyer. So that's the breakdown on subpoenas. They may seem intimidating, but understanding their purpose and the different types can help you navigate the situation if you ever find yourself on the receiving end of one. As always, if you have any question about subpoenas or anything else law related, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more legal insights.